To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Lift the panel off of the cowling. Remove the weather shield. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1082C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the weather cover by lining the tabs with their catch and press down to lock in both sides. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood.